this module we're going to be talking about making our bonus page. Now, why do we want to do this? Well, there's a lot of other affiliates who are going to be supporting this launch, right? And that's where these vendors get their traffic from, right? Because people email out to their email list and they promote these offers. Now, this is going to entice people to buy from us rather than buying from other people, okay? And this is what's going to make us different. This is what's going to set us apart from the competition. So that's why we're going to be creating bonuses. Now, there's a couple of ways that you can do this. Resell Rights Weekly. Now, these guys offer a free membership and they have a ton of digital products inside of here which you can use and you can give away for free, okay? So this is one way to do it. You can go to resell-rights-weekly.com or resell-rights-weekly.com. Go and sign up, okay? And then you can get access to all of these, where is it? Free PLR. Okay, there's some way to get inside, but I think you need to actually go and register. What I suggest you do is you go over to YouTube and you search for different videos covering the product. Now, the product that we're promoting, okay, is called Local Vid Pro. Now, if we open up the JV page here, we need to find out what this product is about, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to go to YouTube and we're going to search for how to rank local videos. Okay, and as you can see, these are the results that have come up. Now, what I suggest you do here is you have a look through some of these videos because we're going to be using these videos as our bonuses. So what's the next thing we need to do? Right, in the Google Doc, click on share, okay, and then click on get shareable link. Right, now this link here, you need to click on copy link, okay, go back to the JV page and click on get your affiliate link. Okay, it's going to take us through to the page where we apply for our affiliate link and where we get our affiliate link, and then down in the bottom where it says add bonus, just click on the plus sign there, and you're going to write in the name bonuses from Jono. Well, obviously you're going to change this from my name to your name, and then where it says bonus URL, okay, we go to the doc, we copy the link, okay, and then we paste that link in right there, and then we click on save bonus. Right, now what this is going to do is it's going to enable people, once they bought this product via our link, they're going to be able to access these bonuses that we promised, right? So this already has all of the links on here, has all of the YouTube links, and this is the doc that they will get, okay? They will be delivered. This is the doc that they will be delivered, okay? So to do that, remember in the second module, I told you to go and register for an account with Canva. So canva.com. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on this post that says social media, right? So click on that one, and what you're going to do is you're going to upload a few different things here. The first thing we need is a background. So just go to Google, okay, and then just type in dollar bills background. Go to images, okay, and just grab any one of these images. Make sure that the resolution is at least has 800 in it. Okay, we're going to grab this. We're going to right click and we're going to click on save image as. Right, we're going to download this. Okay, now next thing we need to do is inside of Canva you click on uploads, okay, and then you go to this downloaded image, you click on this little arrow button, you click on show in folder, and this is the image that we downloaded. We're just going to drag this across to Canva. Okay, let that upload. We'll wait for it to finish uploading, and then we're just going to drag it across into our image here. Okay, now make this, just drag across these to resize it so that it's inside our image, and try to get rid of that watermark, or try to make sure that it's not that visible, like that. Okay, then we go to background, and we're going to choose a background. Okay, actually just click on undo. Okay, drag that image across again, and make sure that you leave a little bit of a space, a tiny little gap of space at the top here. Okay, and then you go to background and just choose a color for the background. Let's just go with blue, and okay, so that background needs to be over the top, so leave that little bit there. So this background, oops, select this background, drag it over the top. Okay, actually, so leave the background as it is in the back there, and then for this image, okay, you've left a little bit of space at the top. Okay, so we've got the background in there, and then for this image, what you're going to do is click on this little box up here, transparency, and we're going to drop the transparency to around 13. Okay, actually make it let's make it about 50%. Okay, so you just see those dollar bills poking through there. Right, next thing we need to do is we go back to our calendar and we bring up the JV page. Okay, so click on the first link up there. So we've got the JV page, because what we need to do is grab this image here. So again, save image as. Okay, that's downloaded. We go back to Canva. We click on that image that we just downloaded, click on the little arrow here, show in folder. We're going to drag that across to Canva. So this is going to start uploading. Okay, once that's finished uploading, we're just going to drag that across into our graphic here. Okay, put it down a bit, and then we're going to grab our text. So we're going to click on text here, and we're going to grab a heading. Okay, we're going to click on. We're going to type bonus. Okay, we'll probably do this in capitals actually. Bonus. Okay, we're going to change the font up here, so you click up here, this drop down menu, we're going to change it to Anton. Okay, and we're going to make it white, and we're going to make it a bit bigger. Okay, once we've done that, we drag it right to the top of the page. Okay, so bonus, local vid pro. And then we go to our doc where we saved our bonuses, this one, and we're going to copy this whole bit of text here. Okay, so right click, copy, go back to Canva, we're going to click on text, let's go to uploads, click on text, and we're going to click on add subheading. Okay, and then we're just going to right click and we're going to paste that in there. Okay, make sure that you extend these little dots to the length of the whole page. Okay, and again, we're going to highlight this whole bit of text, and we're going to click up here, the font, and we're going to choose Anton. Right, let's make it a little bit bigger, say 32, and let's keep it black. Okay, so we're going to bring this right down to the bottom of the page down here, and then we need to get some kind of graphic to visualize this. So how to rank your YouTube videos to #1. So let's go to uploads, let's go back to Google, and let's get a YouTube logo. So type in YouTube logo, click on images, okay, and in the search for YouTube logo.png. okay, so this one would probably be alright. Let's see if the background is transparent. If it's transparent, then it has this kind of checkerboard behind it, so this is perfect. Right click, save image as, and then save it. Okay, back to Canva, click on the little arrow of the image we just downloaded, show in folder, and then again drag this over into Canva. Wait for it to upload. Once it's finished uploading, we drag it over here. Okay, and then we need to visualize something about #1. So let's go back to Google Images, and let's, instead of YouTube logo, let's type in #1.png. Okay, #1.png, enter, and we need to find something like this. Okay, let's just open this one up, see if it has a transparent background with that checkerboard. It does. Okay, right click, save image as, and then just click on save. Go back to Canva, again click on this little arrow down here, show in folder, and then drag that across to Canva. Wait for it to finish uploading. Okay, and then drag it into our image. Okay, now we need to rearrange these so that they look kind of nice. So let's move this one over here a bit. Let's make it a little bit smaller, and let's move this one to about there. Perfect. Okay, so we have our first bonus graphic ready. So the next thing we need to do is just click up here, and we're going to call it bonus #1, and let's write in the name of the product, so Local Vid Pro bonus #1. Done. Okay, click on file, click on save, and then download. Okay, wait for it to finish doing its thing. But for this particular case study, we're going to be using Wix. So we have our Wix account set up. Okay, the next thing we need to do is just quickly save our project. So click on save, and then we're going to change the extension of this URL to the name of the product that we are promoting, which is obviously called Local Vid Pro. So we go to Wix, and we're going to type in Local Vid Pro. Okay, so that's going to be the name of our page. Save and continue. Okay, and now we have this blank page right here. So just click on done. We have this blank page right here. So the first thing that we are going to drop into the header is going to be the logo of this product that we're promoting. So we get this from the JV page. Now remember, inside of our Google Calendar, we saved all of this information, right? So if I just click on edit event, okay, remember we saved the JV page here in our calendar, and then we have our affiliate link, we have our sales page, we have all of this stuff that we need to use to create our bonus page. So we're going to first of all open up the JV page. So just copy this and paste it into a new browser. I've already got it open here, and we're going to right click here, and we're going to click on copy image address. Right, we go over to Wix, and we're going to click on add, and we're going to click on image, and we're going to click on my image uploads. So click on there, click on the little button, and we're going to click on upload media. And okay, so we're going to click on upload media, we're going to click on show more, and then we're going to click on link URL. Okay, and then we're going to paste that link there. Okay, remember we just copied this link from the JV page, so we clicked on right click, copy image address. Okay, and then we go back to Wix, we just paste that address in there, and then click on import. Okay, just going to import that logo for us. There we have it there, and then we click on add to page. Now we're just going to drag this into attach to header. Okay, and then click on don't show again, and then we're going to click on add. We're going to click on text, and we're going to click on add heading. So we're just going to drag that across to here, and then we're going to edit this part. So we're going to write bonuses from Jono. Right, just extend this a little bit so that it all fits in, and we're going to align this center, and we're going to make it a bit bigger, so maybe 80 pixels, and the font that we're going to use is, we need some kind of bold font, so usually just look through here for some bold looking fonts. Usually Impact is good. Impact, let's use this. I don't know why that didn't change then. Let's go back. Impact, there we go, and let's make it 70. Okay, and then we just need to extend this so that it all fits nicely into the middle. And again, we need to make sure that this is aligned in the center. There we go. Cool. Right. Alright, the next thing that we need to do is, let me just go here. The next thing that we need to do is, let's just get rid of that. We need to add some more text, so add, and then we're going to write heading 5. We're just going to drag heading 5 over to here, put it into the center, and we're going to copy, we're just going to write a heading, what is local vid pro all about ? Okay, for this we're going to align it to the left. I'm just going to drag it over to the left here. Alright, and then the next thing we need to do is grab another bit of text. So text and heading 6, we're going to drag that in here, and we're going to go back to the JV page. Okay, so I guess you already know what the JV page is by now, so scroll down, and we're just going to copy all of this text here where it says tell me about your product, is it really incredible. I'm just going to grab all of this text. Okay, I'm going to go back to our Wix page. We're going to highlight this, and we're going to paste all of that stuff in there. So we've got a huge chunk of text. We're going to make this down here. We're just going to format this so it's in nice paragraphs. Okay, and then we need to start dropping in our bonuses, but before we do that, we're just going to click add, and we're going to click on add heading 4, Oops, we need to go down the page a bit. So add heading 4, we're going to drop that down below here. Wait a second. Let's just move that down a bit. Move the footer down a bit. Okay, so add text heading 4. I'm just going to drop this in here. And we're just going to write get the following bonuses via my link. Stretch that out. Okay, so line that up. Right, and then we need to start dropping in our bonus graphics. So we're going to click on add image, and we're going to go my image uploads, and we're going to go to upload media, and then we're going to go computer, and then we're going to go to the folder where we downloaded our bonus graphics. So they were in my downloads folder. You're going to go and have a look for those images that we just made in Canva. So we have these 4 images here. So click on the first one, then press shift, click on the last one. It's going to highlight all of these, and then we're going to click on open. So wait for these graphics to upload, and then we're going to be able to insert these graphics into our page. Okay, so those have all uploaded now. So bonus number 1, which is this one here, this is the first one we need to select, and then just click on add to page. Now we need to drag this down here. Okay, so bonus number 1. Now we need to make this page a bit longer so we can fit in the rest of our bonuses. Oops. So let's move it right down so we can accommodate everything. Let's move these down a bit, because before we put the bonuses in here, we need to tell people about the prices. Now we can get this information again from the JV page. So go to the JV page, scroll down until you find something that talks about the prices. Here we go. Right, so again, right click on this graphic here. This is the funnel, so it has the prices, the front end, OTO1, OTO2, OTO3, OTO4, OTO5. Right click, copy image address. Okay, go back to Wix, and we're going to add another headline. So text, we're going to add headline 4. We're just going to drag this across here, and we're going to write prices and upsells. Okay, we're going to drag this across here. Okay, back to the JV page. Right click on this graphic here which tells people the prices and the upsells. Right click, copy image address, back to Wix, add image, my image uploads, upload media, show more, link URL, and then we're going to paste that link in there. Click on import. Okay, highlight that link, highlight that image, click on add to page. Okay, that's in there. Move that up a little bit, and then we need to add some text about these upsells, right? So this is all the information about the product and the upsells right here. You can see it's pretty lengthy, but what we're going to do is we're going to copy all of this. Now, what I suggest you do to do this, okay, is on your computer, if you're on Windows, you just click on the search tab down here, and you click on, you write snipping, and then you're going to have this tool which is called snipping tool. So open that. If you're on a Mac, there will be something similar. You just search for snipping, and then you should find a similar kind of tool. So click on new, okay, and we are going to go and grab this whole bit here. This is going to save us from writing it all out. So grab this first bit here. We're going to save it to our downloads, and we're going to call it local vid pro OTO. It's not actually an OTO, it's the front end, but just call it OTO so it's easy to find later. Save. Okay, we're going to click on, we're just going to close this for the moment. We're going to go down to the next one where it's upgrade number 1. We're going to open up the snipping tool again, click on new, and we're going to copy this next one here. Click on save. Local vid pro OTO 1. Save. Go to upgrade number 2, snipping tool, new, and we're gonna grab. Okay, where is it? Snipping tool, new. Okay, we're gonna grab this second one here. This second one here, save, local vid pro OTO 2, save that. Okay, same with OTO 3, snipping tool, new, and we're going to grab this one, save, OTO 3. Snipping tool, new. Do the same for upgrade 4. Save, local vid pro TO4. And finally, the last one. Save, local vid pro OTO5. Right. Okay, so we've got all of that information for our potential customers, which is important. They want to read this stuff, okay? So back to Wix. We're going to go to add, image, my uploads, upload media, computer, and then we're going to go and search for those files that we just downloaded, that we just snipped. So go and search in your downloads, local vid pro, okay. So we got all of these. So we highlight the first one, we click on the first one, and then we go down to, we click on, we hold down shift and we highlight the last one, and then we just click on open. Right, this is going to open all of these files that we just made, that we just copied. Okay, that's uploaded. Now we just need to go and find the first one, which we just saved as local vid pro OTO. This one here. Okay, click on add to page. Okay, that's going to be here. Now we need to move all of this stuff down. Okay, I'm just going to delete these for the moment, and I'm going to move this like right down here, right down to the bottom, so it's out of the way. Okay, so local vid pro, and then we need to insert another image, add my uploads, and we need to find OTO1, which is this one. Add to page, drag it down a bit and add it just below that other one. Okay, again, add image, uploads, and we need OTO2, this one, add to page, and just align it just below the other one. Again, add image, my uploads, we need OTO3. Okay, add to page, just align it just below this one. Okay, move this down a bit more. Right, and then add image, OTO4, click on there, add to page. Okay, and let's adjust the page height a little bit more so we've got more space. Let's move it down a few notches. Okay, and then let's drag this right down to the bottom so it's out the way. Cool. Right, so OTO4, we need to go and find OTO5. Add image, my uploads, OTO5. There we go. So we got all of this information in there now for our customers. Okay, the next thing we need to do is align that header there, and then we're going to start dropping in our bonuses. So add image, my uploads. We got bonus number 1 first here. Add that to the page. Let's move it down a bit. Okay, let's move the page height down a bit because we need to add in our other bonuses. Make sure you leave a little bit of a space between each of the bonus graphics. You'll see why towards the end of this module, because we're going to be dropping in our affiliate links and the demo video. In fact, we need to add in the demo video first, so let's just move all of this stuff down a notch. Move that down there. Let's add another heading, so add text heading 4. Just drag it across here. Check out the demo video here. Okay, let's align this to the middle. Okay, and then we need to click on plus. We need to add video. If there's anything here that says video, there we go. And I think it was a Vimeo video, right? Let's go and have a look. So go back to our calendar. Yeah, it was Vimeo. Okay, so let's click on here. Click on settings. What's the video's web address? Okay, so we go back to our Google Calendar where we saved that video, and it's going to be this first bit here. So all the way to the end of these digits, just before this question mark, we're going to click on actually we can delete all of this stuff, including the question mark and all of this stuff just where that hyphen begins, so starting from HTTPS. Okay, now we highlight this whole URL here and we copy, go to Wix, and we paste in that URL there. Okay, now obviously I can't view the video because I'm in Indonesia, but you probably can. If this is a YouTube video that they make as a demo video, you'd simply need to click on add, go to video, and then drag in the YouTube video down there. Okay, and then you'd click on settings, and then you'd paste in the URL of the YouTube video right there. It's easy. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this one. We've got our demo video there, which we're going to prompt people to go and watch, and then we can start adding in our bonuses. So let's move this up a bit, leave a little bit of space in between each of these things here, because we're going to be putting buttons in later. So let's move this up here, leave a little space there. Okay, add image, my uploads, and we need bonus number 2, which is this one. So add to page, drag it down underneath the first bonus, make sure you leave a little bit of space in between there. Okay, then again, add image, and we're going to go with bonus number 3, which is this one, add to page. Okay, make sure you leave a little bit of space in between, and then, okay, let's give ourselves a bit more room on this page. Oops. So move this down a bit more. Move it down, move it down, move it down, move it down. Okay, so this is bonus number 3, and then our final bonus, image, add uploads, we're looking for bonus number 4. Click there, add to page, drag it down, leave some space. Okay, cool, so we've got all of our bonuses in there, and then we just need to write a little something at the bottom here. So add text, heading 4, drag that across, and we're just going to write all of the above bonuses will be instantly available inside of your account, ... 100% free. Okay, let's just drag this so it fills the page. Cool. So this is done. All we need to do now is just add in our buttons. So we're going to click on add. Let me just move that across, it's not in the center. There we go. Right, I'm going to click on add. I'm going to click button, and we're just going to choose a very simple button like this one here. We're going to drag it across to here. Right, we need to change the design of the button. Click on custom design. We're going to change the color to yellow. If we can find yellow on here, change. Right. Oh no, this is site colors. Okay. Try that again. Custom design. Change this to add color. We're going to slide this to yellow, and we're going to make this button like a yellow color. Add. Okay, and then for the text color, we're going to make it black. Okay, X out of there, and then for the text we're going to write claim your, okay, grab this plus bonuses here. Right, and then where it says link, we're going to click on web address. Okay, we go to our Google Calendar, and we're going to grab our affiliate link. So highlight our affiliate link, and we're going to right click, we're going to copy, go back to Wix, and we're going to paste it there. Click on done. Okay, now we just need to make this button a bit bigger. So let's make it a bit wider and a bit, yeah, that should be okay. We need to make the text a bit bigger as well, so click on design, customize design, text, font size, we're going to change it to Yeah, 39 looks pretty good. And this type of button looks better, okay, because it's got this kind of hover bit there. Cool. Now, so we just need to make more buttons. Let's see if we can just copy and paste this. Yes, we can. Right, so click on the button, right click, copy, and then we move down to the bottom of here, and we're going to see if we can paste that button there. Yes, we can. And then just drag it and align it underneath there. Okay, and then underneath the first bonus graphic, we're just going to right click and we're going to paste. So we pasted that button in again there. Underneath this one, we click, right click, we click paste. So we've got that button down there as well. Right click underneath the next bonus graphic, paste, pasting that button once again. And then finally at the bottom, paste. So we've got all of our buttons ready to go. Cool, so this page is done. We just simply need to click on publish. Okay, and click on done. And then click on preview. Okay, so this is what our bonus page is going to look like. We've got all the information in here, what it's all about. We've got our buttons. Okay, we've got our demo video. We've got our buttons down here. If anybody clicks on these buttons, then they'll go through to the sales page, and if they buy it, then we will get credited with the sale, right? So if I just go back to editor, if I click on publish, and then just click on view site. Okay, now you just simply highlight this URL, right click, copy, go to our Google Calendar, right, and we are going to, at the bottom, we're going to write bonus page, and then we're going to paste in our bonus page right there and click on save. Right, have we got anything else to cover in this module? No, we've done everything. Okay, so I'll see you in the next module. I know that this was quite a lot to take in, but it is essential for our promo. If you want to go and watch this video again, make sure that you have everything set up that I talked about in this module before moving on to the next module. Okay, I'll see you inside the next one.